Okay, so good morning. My name is Arnel Madraso. I'm a teacher vlogger. So for this vlog, we are going to unbox one of my successful orders in Shopee. So I really super love the product. So this one, the name is TPS1 Shooting Grip. Shooting grip is now upgraded to from just one grip, but the other function would be the tripod. So it can act as a tripod, but its purpose is really as a handle or grip for the so I bought Sony cam, Sony ZV1F, and so I made a review, and in my review about Sony, I encountered the grip. So there's an original here. There's an original grip from original Sony product. But then this one that I bought is a little bit cheaper, Class B. Class A is really the original one. But this one is an option. I think this one was around, I think, 19, no? Something, 1,900 pesos. The original is cost around around 6,000 pesos. So here in the Philippines, the shooting grip. So this is the box, no? It's well packaged, and this is the appearance here. So the outer part of the box is in fact the product itself, and then there's if you open it, of course, I already unboxed it last time, so I'm just showing you how I got this. So there's a manual. What I like is in the manual, there's English version. The English version of the manual, of course, with instructions step by step, and then there's illustration for the different parts. No, there's different parts of the product. So no problem with the manual. It's really very reader friendly. But even before I read the manual, I already made reviews. No, I already made reviews in YouTube. I viewed some reviews and I found out. So actually, this is the product. So comes with it a grip, this one, and then it's easy to attach. No, there's a screw here, and then what I like here is like this is really of good quality. So it's not quite far from the original. So in terms of the quality of plastic, no, and then you can see that the adjustment parts are really not that cheap. No, it's really sturdy, strong, no, sturdy, and it can really attach the camera quite well, very well attached. Not unlike the other tripods. Sometimes, when you attach it as if it's moving, it's kind of getting loose, no? But this one, it's really holding attached with the camera, quite sturdy, no? So if you can see, so this one is convertible, so it's like this, no? And then it comes with it, it's like there's a sling where maybe the purpose of this is like you can wear this like this so that it's really protected, or just for style, no? And then comes along with it would be the remote. So the difference between the Sony cam and this one is that for a cheaper price, you can detach the remote. So you can already take pictures at a remote distance, no? So you can take picture while this one is quite far from you. But the Sony, the original one, this one is undetachable. So you can't detach. So this one is, I think, what improved product of Sony. I mean, of the grip, no? So shooting grip. So this one is really, the purpose is really handy. This really is handy. And as you know, the compact camera nowadays does not come with a metal. So it's really, the Sony camera is really good for vlogging because it's not heavy. As you know, when you're vlogging, it's always removable, no? You're going to places and all. So carrying heavy cameras won't do the job. What really is good for vlogging is lightweight camera. So this one is made of quality plastic, no? and this one is a plastic as well, no? So really very good for vlogging, no? Made for vlogging. So a while ago I tested this during nighttime, so I already had vlogged daytime when I'm testing with the grip and the camera at nighttime. So I'm going to post the vlog later, but for this particular vlog I'm merely unboxing this, no? So what else have I noticed? So it's easy to connect, no? I won't be even wanting to demo this, no? Because it's easy to connect. It's Bluetooth. All you need to do is to press the button at the center, and then you have the zoom part here, the T. So there's the T and Y, so zoom, near far, no? And then there's the quick part, it's like enter. But you can adjust, so if you want a movie or still, like film or TV mode, no? So if it's still, picture. So the beauty of this is, again, the remote is detachable from the grip. So I am going to release a video a while ago that I tested, no? This tension. So the only comment here would be, as also noted by other reviewers, no? This one. So again, as I said, this is convertible to tripod. So grip, the shooting grip nowadays are shooting grips have evolved from grip, no, or selfie stick to tripod. So you can, and then this one, when you're setting this up for tripod, so this is adjustable. Okay, look at that. So you can already put it on top, let's say on the table. And then this one, you just press this part here, the neck part, and you can already adjust the movement of the camera here. So up, down. Okay? So basically, those are the parts, no, that are very important to point out. The grip, turning into tripod. The only comment here, same with other reviewers in YouTube, if you return the two legs to its original position, the grip position, it does not return to its, it does not stick to its main part. So it's like, if this is the body, the two legs does not really is returning to its supposed to be attached state, no? It could have been, if you close this, if you return the two legs to its original position, it has to stick like this. It could have been, maybe it could have been clicked like that. If it clicks, then it attaches. But this one is not. If you notice, it's merely just stays there. So maybe owners of this will have to do something about it. It has to be attached to its original position, like this. But other than that, the purpose has already been served. The purpose of the grip, what really is the purpose of the grip? It's for you to hold it firmly. The good thing is there's this rubberized part here that is not made of plastic. The purpose of that is the grip, so that it wouldn't slide. Because the tendency is that when you're holding a camera, sometimes it might slide, and this might fall, right? The camera. But this one it's well attached to your hand, and so really, literally, it grips. No? So the grip is well attached to your palm. No? That's why it's grip. No? So what else? Other than that, the cost, 1.9. Yeah, maybe some reviewers would say for 1,900 pesos, they could have fixed this part here. But for me, it doesn't matter anymore. What matters is really you're able to hold it well. The grip is good, and then it is very compatible. For me, some reviewers took a while to connect their camera with this, but for me, it didn't take long. Because this is quite advanced. This is the features of this Sony ZV1F is quite advanced already. that, few clicks, and you can already connect to this one. It's easy. It's very easy to connect. All you need to do is to go to the setting, click Bluetooth, and then it can already read this. But there is a way of connecting this, no? So that this one can read the remote. There's a part there, this center button, then the T part of the zoom. Press them together, then automatically Sony can detect the device. But do not forget there's an on-off button here at the side. There's an on-off button. So this one is on, then if you move that to the right side, then it turns off, no? And then then you just click. And then of course, do not forget, there's also the side here where still or movie. So if you're filming, then you'll have to move to the film part, and if it's still, this one is important. This part. So I'm not really attempting to do a tutorial. So I'm just sharing you my general impressions. That is it from 1 to 10. I would rate this maybe 8, no? For functionality. No? But for appearance, yeah. The reason I'm not giving this 10 because of this one. It does not return to its original state when I got this from the package. Because originally it's not like this. It's really attached with the main frame, no? But when you open it, when you open the legs, it wouldn't return anymore. So, yeah. Will I recommend this? Yes. I will recommend this for those of you who are in tight budget, who might who do not want to spend much for just a shooting grip. No? Original cost would be for the Sony original shooting grip is around 6,000 pesos. I wouldn't spend that much. So maybe this one is a good alternative. Okay, so thank you very much for tuning in to my vlog. So thank you for your support. So watch out for my future vlogs. Bye! See you later.